Hi everyone, my name is Ella. I'm currently in my second year at the University of Nottingham and I am studying English. With Freshers Week fast approaching, the number one question on everyone's mind is,
how am I going to make friends at university?
If you're nervous or worried about this, then don't fret. I'm going to be letting you in on my top tips and advice on how to make friends at university. My first tip is use Facebook to your advantage. If you don't know this already, you can find your flatmates and people in your block using Facebook. To do this, go onto the University of Nottingham Student Union page, click the Find Your Flatmates link, and then follow the instructions to find your flatmates and people in your block. This is the best way to calm your nerves before you even step foot in Nottingham. I started talking to people in my block weeks before I went to uni, and some of them are now my best friends. My second tip. Saying yes should be your new motto. Especially in the first week, the best way to make friends is to just put yourself out there. One way to do this is to join lots of societies and sports clubs. When you go to the Freshers Fair, absolutely do the things that you enjoy and that you are good at. But also try to be open to things that you haven't tried before. Want to try your hand at being a magician? Join the Magic Society. Got a burning passion for feminism and want to get involved? Join the Feminism Society. Watch Pitch Perfect and think you could be the next a cappella sensation? Join the A Cappella Society. And yes, there might be some things that are out of your comfort zone, but this is the best time to try something new. And in the process of going to all these sport clubs and societies, you're bound to make some really great friends. My third tip. Remember that everyone is in the same boat. There is not one first year who starts university and isn't nervous and excited about making friends. So try to introduce yourself to everyone you meet. If you're early for a lecture and someone's sat next to you on their own, then why not introduce yourself and ask them about their week, ask them how they're finding their course. And don't forget when you're meeting these people to get Snapchats and numbers, because there's nothing worse than making loads of new friends and having nothing to contact them on. My fourth tip, bonding time. So you've met all these people and you're now thinking,
how do I actually bond with these people?
Yes, there are lots of events and nights out and lots of things that the university provides you with that you can do, but don't overlook the small menial things. If you're popping down to Tesco to get a loaf of bread, then why not make it a group shopping trip? Invite all your flatmates. If you're going to the gym and met someone who you remembered sign up to the same gym as you, then why not drop them a text and ask them to meet you there? My fifth, final and most important tip is be yourself. One of my favourite sayings is you attract the energy that you put out into the world. So be completely, absolutely and unapologetically yourself and you are bound to attract like-minded people. So there you have it. There are my top 5 tips on making friends at university. If you'd like to check me out, my YouTube is Ella Horton and my Instagram and Twitter are both at Ella May Horton. Subscribe to me to get uni advice, motivation, weekly vlogs and see what my life at the University of Nottingham is like. Don't forget to subscribe to the University of Nottingham channel to get lots of uni advice, tips, tricks specific to the University of Nottingham. I really hope you enjoyed this video and best of luck with starting university. Bye!